Yeah, you know how we coming and shit. Yeah, yeah. I can admit, baby. I can admit, baby. I can admit I was looking for love in the wrong damn place. I could not be broke, I was getting too complacent. Looking for love and women they can't replace. And I got my heart broke, now I can't do no chase. Gotta roll me on one before I go crazy. I bout to cut, lay him down like he lays. 100 round chop, I'm loaded with A's. Soon as I get there, I kill it, my baby. Been on the road, but I be home. I'm back in that mode and we getting it on. When I get in that zone, do it better than a roll. When I fuck from the back, she be curling her toes. You my baby, but I'ma fuck it like a hoe. I been running it fast, but I'm fucking you slow. I been pulling your hair, I been slaying you out, baby. Ain't no way the neighbors don't know. Looking for love in the wrong damn place. I been on the road and seen too many faces. Like I gotta leave, can't play me for bass. Come and put it on me cause I just wanna taste. Soon the probably come, I put a wood in rotation. You know I'm gonna go with no hesitation. I been running the money to regulation. Yeah, I gotta get it my only statement. I was deep in the field when nobody come save. Take it back to them time with that rusty 380. Got a Drake in my bag where I feel like it's Haiti. I ran that shit up, now these bitch niggas hate me. These niggas mad cause they outdated. One supposed to make it, somehow I'm the greatest. For what they talking about, I gotta get faded. You know Potato in love with his payment. You know I tell him like fuck you pay me. Shit, looking for love in the wrong damn place. Ripped up my heart and ain't leaving no trace. Yeah, I gotta get it okay. Broke as a bitch, I been making my way. Put that pussy on me, then you making my day. Got a 60 inside, I done loaded the K. Jump out all black, we be slinging the tray. Shit, looking for love in the wrong damn place. Shit, I'm looking for love in the wrong damn place.